Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to update your QuickBooks desktop software. First, it is crucial to close all QuickBooks company files to ensure a smooth update. Next, confirm you have a stable internet connection, as updates require downloading files. Most importantly, always create a backup of your company file before proceeding with any software update. This simple step protects your valuable financial data, giving you peace of mind throughout the process. To set up automatic updates, open your QuickBooks desktop software and find the Help menu at the top. From there, select Update QuickBooks Desktop. Within the Update window, click on the Options tab. Here, you can choose Yes to enable automatic updates. You can also schedule these updates to download automatically, perhaps during off-peak hours like overnight, ensuring your software is always current without manual intervention. If you prefer to update manually, begin by opening the Update QuickBooks Desktop window, accessible through the Help menu. Once there, navigate to the Update Now tab. This section displays all available updates. Simply check the boxes next to the updates you wish to install. After making your selections, click the Get Updates button to start the download. Remember to restart QuickBooks Desktop once the download is complete to apply the changes effectively. After restarting QuickBooks, it is important to verify the update was successful. Press the F2 key or Ctrl+1 to open the Product Information window. Here, confirm your current version and release number reflect the latest update. Make it a habit to check for updates regularly, perhaps every 2 or 3 months, to ensure you benefit from the newest features and security enhancements. Always remember to back up your company file before any significant software changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.